Hey folks, this is Shetz, and today we're going to be talking about inscribed angles. And we know that ADB is a central angle because its vertex is at the center. Well, if this angle right here is 40 degrees, ADB, then that makes the arc also 40 degrees. Arc AB is 40 degrees. Central angles are the same as the arc. Now let me do this to it. Look at this angle, ACB. This angle that's right in here. Notice where its vertex is. It's on the circle. Well, let's investigate this. We know that this is a straight line. Therefore, if this angle is 40, then I know this obtuse angle has to be 140. So I'm going to put that in red. And notice these two radii, this radius and this radius. We know that all radii in the same circle are equal. Okay, well then, guess what kind of a triangle this is? That is an isosceles triangle because both sides are equal. Therefore, these base angles right here have to be equal. So we know triangles add up to 180, and if I subtract the 140, that's going to leave us with this angle and that angle, and that equals 40 degrees. 180 minus 140 is 40 degrees between the two purple angles. Therefore, each base angle is 20 degrees. Okay. Well, now, if this base angle is 20, right there, ACB, if that's 20, how does that compare to 40? Well, ACB, this angle in purple right there, is half of the arc. Or you could say it's half of the central angle. So just remember that. That's an important topic in this lesson. Notice that this vertex is on the circle. On the circle. So it is half the arc. And more importantly, look at this. AEB. Well, it goes to the arc 40, so guess what? That angle must also be 20. And look at this up here. AFB. It's a inscribed angle, and don't forget it's half the arc. The arc is 40, so the inscribed angle is 20. Central angles are the same. Inscribed angles are half the arc. Please remember this rule. The inscribed angle is half the arc. So that's today's lesson, folks. And when you do these problems, you want to look for diameters. Here's 40 for a central angle, same as the arc. You know this angle is the supplement right there. CDA is the supplement of 40. This makes an isosceles triangle, and these two base angles have to be equal because the radii are equal. And CAD is also 20. Base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. But ACB is an inscribed angle, and it's half of this arc right there. That's 40. Inscribed angle is 20. That's 40. Central angle is the same. So know the difference. Central angles are the same. Inscribed angles are half. There you go, folks. Take care.